Okay, I've had a few people ask me how I got into video game development and programming, and this is the virtual environment Second Life. And I started researching virtual environments in gaming and how they relate to teaching and learning many years ago. And I found this virtual environment which was pretty robust. I mean, everything that you see in it is created by the residents of the virtual environment. Now, that's pretty cool. It's very similar to the Unity aspect. It's built more on the axes of CAD and things like that. But let me take you zoom in here. I'm just using, you can use shortcut key commands or even open up a camera control and utilize a HUD camera control. This is an avatar, basic avatar in the Second Life environment. Like I said, everything here is built by the residents, from the trees to the rocks to the buildings. This particular shop right here is called the Happy Hat, which is the virtual store that I used to demonstrate business to the college, and since that day I demonstrated it, I've always kept it in there, and all kinds of good stuff. So here's this little wheel right here. I'm just gonna demonstrate this little wheel. I'm gonna put the avatar on here and show you this. It's just a bunch of objects. It's just those primitives that you're building, just like you're building in the Unity. Came with spheres, cubes, etc., etc. So what has happened with this particular object is it is ran by scripts. The first one was when the avatar sat upon a quote-unquote pose ball. The avatar went into a particular animation. And they have the basic pose ball animation. And if you look, you'll see things that you are finding in your own scripting here. I mean, this is its own language. It's called Linden LSL, Linden Scripting Language. So, but it's very similar to everything that we have been doing here. The next particular script is the rotation, where you rotate the object. So, you know, it's telling you that if you bring it out, it's false, but if you touch it, then it's spinning. If it's not spinning, then make it stop spinning. So that's all that's telling, and which axes to spin on and all that good stuff. So this particular virtual environment is how I got started in the video game development world.